Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. Today we're taking apart this very old vintage typewriter and we'll see what we have in it. I'm trying to fix the camera here today that you're going to see what I'm doing. Sorry about the last video guys. I put up the video without even checking it, which is very stupid the first time I ever did it. The camera wasn't set high enough, so hopefully today you'll see everything. I'm going to take you close up here now and see what we got here. It's like an old clicky keyboard. We have a nice, maybe a nice vintage board underneath there. A few bits of wire running through it. Should be something nice back here. In here there should be where the wires are going maybe. So yeah, we're going to take a few bits off this and see what we have. So I'm going to fix you back up here again in a way that you should see me. You should see me fine. So we'll start taking this apart bit by bit. Get the Phillips screws out first. There's a few motors in this and stuff, so we see what we can get off this. Just moving a couple of Phillips screws first. Or what Phillips screws I can move. Should pop off. Or break off. One or the other. Tell you, it's not like the newest ones, these are easier to take apart. Maybe so brittle too doesn't help it. Nothing about it, smashing won't work. It's very brittle, it is. It's very, very old, this is. Let's pick up some rubbish. So what we got here is some lovely, some very nice IC chips, which I'll show you now in a second. These would be very vintage IC chips. There's no spiders underneath here. I'm not a very good person with spiders, I have to tell you that. So what we have here is shouldn't be much underneath this. So a couple of nice IC chips. 1, 2, 3. And that's basically it on that part. So we'll see if we can take these IC chips off straight away. I doubt I'll be able to take them off with this. No. Hasn't got a great grip, it hasn't. So put that to the side. See what else we've got here. Piece of foam. These are all plastic or steel. It's plastic. The weight's in the back here. See what we got in it. Yeah, it's a bit of boards in there. There's a Phillips screw back here. These older ones are easier to take apart actually. There's 2 screws in the back and screws in here in the front. That's that took off. So we'll see what we can do here. What we need a flathead. There's a couple of flathead screws on top here. Hopefully this one will remove it. No, the head is not good enough on that. Let's see. I've got a flathead screwdriver here on me. Nope. Just bear with me for 1 second, guys. Get a flathead screwdriver. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Just the first really vintage kind of thing I've got in a while. There we go. So the boards, there's a few IC chips in this, which be should be valuable, old gold recovery. I keep all that myself. Or maybe in time I'll learn how to do the goal recovery if it's not too dangerous. Things are getting easier and easier to recover, so let's see now. Screws on the side. Yeah, so it's hexagon screws. Absolutely hate working with them. Let's see. Have I got one? Sure, quite right, have everything ready for sure. This is the fun of it, trying to find bits and pieces for it. Let's see. Smaller one. Smaller again. Here we go. Doesn't take too long. It's kind of sweating there I was. Coming apart so far, I don't want to jinx myself. Pretty easy, a few screws. Should release after this maybe. Get into the board part. That's why I really want to get into this. There we go. Something happening. Oh wow guys, some nice icy chips here, looks. Oh my god, full icy chips. Get this off. I'm tearing the hand of myself. Pull out right. It's like underneath. Let's see what we do with this. There's a few flathead screws here. They have to remove probably first before the board, which I don't want to do with the board. Let's see. That's steel or plastic. Feels like hard plastic. Come off now. Oh, God. Trying to keep the place clean as I can. Trying to show you here now what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to separate. Sorry guys, I haven't got my socks on. Trying to separate this so you can see the IC chips and they're nice IC chips. So push you back down here. Here we go. Something is happening. That's where the weight was. Big transformer here. I think there's an E-prong here. Feels like an E-prong. But anyway, we're just going to go through it with you here. It's going to take a while to go through this video. So I'm just going to show you here quick what we have. What we got here is, you can see I think this is an E-prong. Some lovely IC chips in there, some copper heat sinks, some bit of wire in there, That's why it's so heavy. With a lovely big heavy transformer here, a copper transformer I presume, which will be taken out. What else we have? We have a bit of wire here, and we have a motor here. So it's basically a few little bits in it. Nothing too extravagant, but all the same, it's nice to get into it. Usually with these old electrical, you always get something nice in it. So I'm going to tip away at this, guys. I don't want to bore you. I just want to show you what was in this old kind of typewriter. Never had one like this before. That's why I'm going to make a video on it. So like, comment, subscribe, guys. See you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.